of the most important thing in PMP exam is of course solving the questions. There will be 180 questions and most of the questions will be situational. When I say most, 99% plus questions are situational. If you can master this one technique, elimination technique, you can solve all the questions. Now my step to solve PMP question is 6-7 lines. Read the last line question, read it slowly, but all of this boils down to this most important thing, that use elimination technique. Now how do you use the elimination technique? You understand the question, what the question is saying, what is the problem in the question. As a project manager, you have to solve all the problems. Then you start eliminating options. In the exam, mostly there are 4 options. Eliminate first option. When you eliminate an option, you must have a reason why this is the wrong answer. What is your justification why this answer is wrong? Then another option you eliminate, again you must have a justification why this answer is wrong. Then if you select a right answer, you must have a justification why this is right and other are wrong. Most of the time in PMP exam, out of 4, 2 options you can easily eliminate. The remaining 2 options, one is right and the other is more right, and you need to justify how these things work. So let's see one of the question. As a project manager, you have an unidentified risk. An unidentified risk has occurred, so what you should do next? Unidentified risk has occurred, so we know that here the problem is that unidentified risk has occurred. Okay, so if unidentified risk has occurred or any risk has occurred, risk is basically probability into impact. It becomes an issue. Now it's an issue. So option 1, update the lesson learned register or put it in the lesson learned register. No, we don't put it in the lesson learned register. Okay, so we don't put in the lesson learned register. Why? Because first we have to tackle that risk. In order to tackle that risk, we need to document it. So are we gonna put it lesson learned register? No, we are gonna use elimination technique, eliminate this thing. Are we gonna put an issue log? Maybe. Let's put it right now. Don't consider this is a right answer, straightforward. Are we gonna put it in risk register? Why you are not gonna put it in risk register? An unidentified risk has occurred. If identified risk has occurred, you would update its status in the risk register, but it was unidentified. There was no plan. So now it has occurred, it will not go into risk register. It's a very important point which I just shared. If an unidentified risk occurred, it goes to issue log, not risk register. But let's see the last option. So should we raise a change request? No. The first thing is to document any risk, any issue. We are left with the last option, and that is issue log. So as a lesson, you know that whenever a risk occurred that has been identified, you update risk register. Unidentified occurred, you update issue log. But you used elimination technique. You went by one option and answer it why this is the wrong answer. Use this technique and I am sure you can answer most of the PMP question. Thank you very much.